Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are good. Today, we are going to start our writing skills portion. And the first thing we need to write or we need to learn how to write an application for leave with different excuses. See, at some points in time, we need to take leave from school or colleges, but we get the leave only if we write an application mentioning the reason behind it to the concerned person. Student can write a application format, no doubt, but we need to write in a particular format for school principal because of the illness of the students, and there could be a multiple reasons to apply for leave such as marriage at home, going out of the station, health issues, accident of any person, or death in the family. So the important things that we needed to write an application, the first thing is salutation, the second is the subject of the application, third is reason for your leave, fourth is number of leaves you needed, fifth is work plan during your absence, and second last thing is contact information, and the last and final is signature. So without wasting our time, let's take an example, or we can you can say also and format. First of all, on the left hand of side of the page, you should write the principal or the class in charge to whom whatever you want to write your application, the name of the school. In next line, mention the address, and in the next line you have to mention the date. Just make a gap of single line, and then you have to write your subject will be the same, an application for leave. Then regards, respected sir or ma'am. While starting the lines of application, you can follow these lines. You can use in every kind of application for leave with these starting lines. With due respect and humble submission, I just mention your name and your father name and of class, and mention here you mention your class. Wish to state that wish to state that when you reach at this point, where I have written I wish to state that, when you once you have reached at this point where I put dash dash dash, you have to mention your reason. It may be of your illness, it may be of your urgent work, it may be of your another some particular reason. As you can see, I have written on, as you can see on your mobile screen, that I have already written few lines on different topics, such as I am not in a condition to come to the school since I am running with high fever. I have been prescribed by family doctor to take proper rest for at least 3 days. This is our first reason. Second is maybe you have your stomach ache. Then what you have to write? You have to write I have stomach ache. I got this infection last night, and you have mentioned all the lines which I have read before in the previous reason, that I have been prescribed by the family doctor to take proper rest for at least 3 days. Now, our third excuse, that I have to go somewhere with my family and we have some work in our native place and I have to go along with my family members. If your mother is not feeling well, then you can write down these lines, that my mother is not feeling well, she has been ill from many days, so I have to stay with her at home to do a good care of her. Suppose you want to inform your teacher that someone has passed away. So what you have write down, that one of my relatives has passed away because of long illness or major heart attack. Our family is going for the funeral or mourn ceremony. Another reason is that a good news in the family, my cousin is blessed with a cute baby boy or girl. My mother has to meet the newborn baby, so I have to go along with her. And if any marriage ceremony is there, Then you can write down, my brother's marriage has been fixed. All of my family members are busy in preparation, and I'm also. The wedding is going to be conducted at, write down the place, and on, write down the date. Once you have mentioned your what, your actual reason, just end up your application. And how you end up, in the end you can write, I request you cordially grant me leave for number of days. This is your choice, that how many days you want your leave. After coming back, I will finish the syllabus covered in my absence with the help of my teachers and classmates. I shall be really grateful to you. Just end up by saying thanking you or yours obediently. Just see what I want. I hope now you all are able to write an application for leave for with different reasons. If not, just watch the video twice or thrice. You will be able. This is my guarantee. But this is just a small effort by my side to make able every student whose writing skill is not that much good to write an application in a proper way. I just hope you like the video and make a notes from the video and do practice of it. Thank you for the watching.